smallest fish ever.
Double! I got a text from a buddy saying that he wanted to come fishing with me. And get this, he's never gone fishing before. So, of course, said yeah. He's off on Monday. I'm off on Monday. So we're gonna have a little adventure. It's gonna be probably a lot of comedy. I can't wait to see him catch his first bass. We're gonna be doing some drop shotting. I'm his first fish on. Oh my god, I'm gonna be so excited for him. And hopefully we add a new fisherman, a new fishing buddy to the troop. So stay tuned. All right, so right in front of his door. Let's see what he's brought. I told him to bring some Lagunitas beers. The poles are back here. I'm about to head on the adventure.
Just in case I fall in. How you doing?
Good. Put that stuff. All right. Little free ride down. Hear that? I do this. Get a little trip out. Cheers. And we're gonna a whole bunch. Like the boat. They start jumping in the boat, man. What's fishing without having beer in your hand? That's not fishing. It's just two dudes sitting on. Oh, there's a bike. Okay, here. Yep, keep roll. Be on there still? Keep reeling. Keep reeling. I think he's on. Yeah, he's on. You feel him? Okay, now the sup room right there, let's kind of put rocket up a little bit. So you can see him right there. See? Alright. Sorry. Just a little up, down. Up. You go to the top here, you kind of go
Reel it in when you go to the top.
Then when you go back down, you kind of roll the slap just a little bit. It might be only one. Oh, it might be now. Keep it tight and reel. Keep reeling. Let him hit. Oh, a jumper. There you go. Nice. Probably not good there. Try and get towards me. Last one. Yeah, going the opposite direction, but you definitely like it. And that's it.
This is like the smallest fish ever.
Yeah. That's a really little. So this is called a perch. Deepak, how was that first fish?
Liberating.
What was going through your mind during that whole time?
I was thinking,
Whoa. Ooh.
My biggest fear today was not catching a fish at all. So I've done it. So let's catch some more fish.
And do you remember what that fish was called?
It was called a perch.
Ooh. A perch. Now Deepak's a pro. Do that again. I got one. That was just a... You see that?
You just put it out.
I just literally, it must have got on that. Ooh, nice jump. Go. Don't reel anymore though. Don't reel anymore. Just let him loose. Don't pull out of the water. Run it towards me. Oh, he's a nice one. Yeah. That was literally didn't even hit the bottom yet. Nice. Okay, dude, let it go. Just let it go. Yeah. You have one too? You have a double! Our first double! We got a double! Nice! That's oh shit! No. It went out! Oh no! Oh. That was really getting close to a double. That's double our oh. There we go. Damn. Dude, that was awesome. It's your first one on a robo-worm. We both caught one on different things the same second there. I think.
Drop anchor.
That one. Go for it. That was so quick. I told you. Damn it. Do you see him? Yeah. That was deep back. All right. Caught his bass. First bass to hand. Fantastic. What happens? He packages the fish. And now he's casting like a king over here. Oh, that's like a hybrid. Okay, don't really so much. Okay, let line out. You felt that guy get it. Yeah, oh, okay, that's good. Okay.
Nice.
Hold on that. Okay, these are really, again, this little guy, he'll get his tail back there. He got bit by something.